Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diana. I hope you enjoyed my last video. I know I did. So this is the much awaited TEMU video. Yes, it's here today. Yay, finally. As someone who's been shopping on TEMU for the past 2 years now, I have my share of regrets. But I've also gotten to learn a lot of lessons. And so these are the lessons I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, and also giving you some tips on how I do it. And maybe in this video, I'm not sure if it's this video, I'll be sharing some tricks. Maybe. Okay, guys. Let's get into it. Oh, let me get comfortable. Again, read the descriptions. Dimensions, descriptions. Okay? Alright, so now we're here. We're scrolling through. And then we come up on this. I'm just like, oh my god, this is so vibrant. The color is rich. I love it. Let's see. I want this chair. This sofa is not on sale. You can see. This fabric cover is what is being sold. Now let's look at the description. It says one-piece vibrant geometric plaid stretch sofa cover. Elastic polyester slip cover. It's machine washable, perfect for modern living room and bedroom, dining area, blah blah blah. Now, if you have a sofa that looks like this, the general shape of this that you're seeing right here, then you can go ahead and get this chair cover, this sofa cover for it. But if your sofa is an L-shaped one, this cover will not work. Okay, it will not work. You need a sofa that is this shape, just either it's a one-seater or a double-seater like this, or a three-seater or a four-seater. That's the only advice I have for concerning this one, because I know someone bought the L-shaped sofa, was lamenting. Okay, so these are L-shaped sofas, right? Which is what brought me here. Now let's see. This one says glam style large chenille fabric sectional sofa, U-shaped with double recliner, filling with no wooden materials for living rooms. Fits home, office, apartment, villa. It is 1,939 euros and 40 cents. Right here, you can see, and there are several more colors of it. Okay, so if you see something for $10 or 50 euros or 20,000 naira and think you're buying a chair, please think again. You can see the ones that are actual sofas are way more expensive, and the ones that are lesser priced are just covers. Now, the next thing I said, a very good memory. Okay, now TEMU is a platform that is made up of several sellers. Okay, it's not just one seller. TEMU brings them all together and gives you easy access, so you don't have to be all over the place in China, right? So you need to know that that thing you're seeing is also being offered by several other sellers. Sometimes the prices, okay, look at this right here. It says this seller is selling this wig for 24.57, which is €5.95 cheaper than I viewed. Do you see that? So there are different sellers selling at different prices. You just need to have a good memory. You need to remember how much was it, the one I saw, and then you could also do something, put it in your cart. So this is already with one in my cart. Put it in your cart. You can take this right here, okay, copy it, come to the search bar, paste it in there, and there you have it. The same wig, different sellers. Okay, so this is 47, this is 53, this is 24, this is 39, 65. Pick your seller. 58, 36, 60, 69. You know, this is cheaper. It's the cheapest I've seen so far. Do you want to go cheaper? Do you want to go more expensive? All right. You need to know what your budget is, okay? And then decide what you want. But always remember, when it comes to hair, I would say buy the more expensive one, okay? And read the description to save you a lot of tears. It will save you a lot of tears, my darlings. So, on the subject of budget, if you see here, I came prepared. I have a book, I have a pen. That's how you shop on TEMU. You need to have a price point. A price point you are not willing to go beyond. Because once you get on the platform, it will keep suggesting things to you. Self-control. That's another thing you need to shop on TEMU. Okay, so far we have know your measurements, the dimensions, read them very well. So you need a measuring tape. If you're not good at it, I need a measuring tape. I'm not great at it. Okay, you need a measuring tape. Know the measurements. Secondly, read the descriptions. Okay, read the descriptions. Read the descriptions. Understand the description of the item that you're trying to purchase. The third point, have a budget. Have a budget. The fourth point, which is where we're at right now, self-control. There's so many vendors on TEMU, constantly in your face, offering you these items at crazy, unbelievable prices. You just have to have self-control. The last thing I use to shop on TEMU, okay, the last weapon in my arsenal that I use for shopping on TEMU is patience. You have to be patient when shopping on TEMU, because like I said, if you lack patience, self-control, a retentive memory, and the ability to read descriptions, dimensions, and you lack a budget, it's just gonna be a mess. And we don't want that, because we all hear about affordable shopping. Affordability on a budget, don't forget. So patience, that's the last ingredient in this concoction I've been cooking up. That's what I use. You want to know what I use, why I've been so successful, why I have all these things from TEMU for free. This is it. These are the things I use. So if there's any other thing that you want to know about shopping on TEMU, please let me know, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Okay, and if you have you want to see more product reviews and things like that, just let me know. Leave it in the comment section. Okay,
so that's it. Thank you for staying with me all the way to the end. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Well, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.